All right, we are going to be going over how I took a fairly decent L. I did end up cutting the trade a little bit early, but at the end of the day, we took a loss on gold recently. So basically, the analysis was at the end of the February second week close. After seeing this big wick and this candle closure, we were expecting price to continue higher. The following week, we took an entry, basically one on this wick right here in this candle. Once it started closing higher, momentum started coming back, and we took an entry there. The reason we were taking that first entry was because we had such a big euphoric move up and an even faster rejection that it seemed very likely to me that it was just a big liquidity sweep to continue back up to all-time highs, which it still could be the case, but that was our thesis on the first entry. Second entry, after we got this big rejection and this engulfing right back up, this was like a big signature or a signal for me that price is looking to continue to go higher from here. We took this entry, so we were holding two entries here, and then again we got the same kind of signal the third time. So this is where we took our third entry. And basically after these three entries, today we are faced with these two bearish closures, and we're closing below this low, and we're not really getting much momentum to come back. This was also the previous week's low, and price didn't really react from it as well. So now I've actually closed my longs at a small loss overall, but we closed our longs, and now I'm considering going short on this trade. So with this 4 hour just failing to break up back above, it's continuously rejecting hard. We're having multiple rejections here. Price is kind of selling off every pullback it had recently. So I've lost any kind of as of right now, overall, I am still bullish long term, but short term, I do feel we could get a pullback here. I feel that price can break down back down to these 46.50 lows, uh, possibly even the February lows. I don't know, but as of right now, price is kind of an in between. It could be a long, it could be a short, but based on the way this daily is closing right now, I am leaning towards a short side. So I closed my longs and I've actually entered a short here now. I'm not looking to take a huge short all the way down to 4,400 or something, which could happen, but I'm not kind of looking for that. I'm just looking to take some quick, maybe 1-to-1s, 1 to 1.5s on this way down, that I feel that we're going to get this pushed down. But I'm still looking for a signal to go back long again when that time comes. But now that price has started to show that it's in this consolidation type of range, I'm definitely looking to kind of step back from the markets a little bit. These are periods that I want to essentially size down on my trades, be less aggressive with my entries, and take less trades overall until price has shifted back into either trend, but into a big momentum type of trend. That's where you want to get back onto being aggressive and sizing up and taking almost every setup that comes your way. But right now, we're not in that stage. I am short, but again, this is with lower size. I'm taking a daily confirmation entry. I'm not trying to be super aggressive with how I get into the trades. And I feel that daily is probably the safest way to do that. And I'm not looking for huge moves. I'm just going for that 1-to-1 basically to make some money and get out. But ideally, I want to be sitting on cash and just kind of reset for when price does get that momentum again, at which point we'll start to be more aggressive. So yeah, that's an update and a breakdown on what I'm doing. I will keep you posted on how this goes. and we will talk soon later this week to see how everything's kind of progressing out. So till then, good luck on your trading, and I will speak with you soon once again.